What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We finally have our hands on new Diesel on Full Guard 2.5 smartwatch. I just wanna go ahead and do a quick unboxing and setup video for you guys to see. Packaging is pretty clean and let's see what we get. You can see the packaging a little better without the reflective plastic on it. It does have Bluetooth 4.1 and runs on Snapdragon chip. I'm definitely excited to unbox it. It does come in a nice case inside the cardboard housing, and there we go. The case looks so good, and now you can imagine how amazing this watch would be. This watch does look pretty good out of first glance. It has massive 48mm case. Set that down to the side for a minute, pull the box back in and see what else we have. Got our literature, few instructions, more paperwork, and we have our charger. It is a magnetic charger. This charger actually looks like you would have pins to clip on something. Let's see if we can pull this off the front, and let's take the tab off the heart rate monitor. So like I said, this is the new Diesel on Full Guard 2.5 and you can see it's a pretty good watch actually. Alright guys, we got this charged up a little bit so you can actually see the display on the Diesel itself, and it does look awesome. Elevated materials like the colored anodized aluminum also make this smartwatch lighter without sacrificing durability. It is powered with Wear OS by Google, and it's not just your traditional magnetic part that sticks on the back. I like this so much better than the ones that are proprietary and you have to sync stick to a specific location. And you do have a rotating crown on the side, which is a nice addition. There is 2017 version, which is just the Diesel on Guard, I believe. You know, they like to complicate name. The upgrades are pretty substantial in this. Actually, it does have an AMOLED display, but more importantly, it has heart rate tracking and NFC finally. Let us now try to set up the watch. You need to download an app called Wear OS by Google from App Store, or if you have an Android device, then Play Store. Then allow few things and connect your watch and mobile phone with the help of Bluetooth. It may take up to a few minutes to completely set up your watch, but once you're done, you're ready to go. The appearance of an iridescent screen when a private notification is received makes it even more interesting. Here, you can take this tutorial in order to understand most of its features quickly. And this is how you can ring your phone. I really like the look on this watch. This is actually the stopwatch face you can say it came with. I will run through a couple of them with you to see. You can see how nice some of them are. You can even customize the watch faces or get even more from the store. The leather strap is pretty nice as well. Also, it has that always on display. I gotta say, this is definitely one of the best smartwatches and a little lighter. Looks great. What do you guys think? Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. You can get this too in online as well as offline stores for Rs 24,495. I'll catch you in the next one.